you are all alumni ambassadors of Geetham School of International Business. All of you know that. I would like to mention a couple of things because you are all young and energetic, and you should not forget the institute anytime, and you should be in a position to help the institute juniors. And one more important thing, wherever you are working, keep just two things in mind. That every organization requires a strong two pillars. And one pillar is the hardware, you can say, the committed employees, committed officers. The second one is software, and software is nothing but good value system. And that good value system should run the behavior of the employees. Then only that kind of system would enhance the trust, and trust further leads to more respect, and respect commands authority. Okay? So you should keep these two things in mind. Not that you don't know, but I would like to remind you of these two things. Wherever you are, you not only help yourselves, okay, getting higher up promotions, but also you should help your juniors in the institute, okay, and by way of either giving more information to find jobs in that kind of thing, or in other activities. Okay. And I'm not able to come to Hyderabad, but this is what I would like to convey as my message. Okay. Thank you very much.
To all of you, I'm glad to learn that many of you are working as ambassadors of GSIB and doing very well in your careers. Sometimes some students send me emails and talk to me on phone about their success in their career. I'm very glad to know that. Some of them give suggestions for the current students on how they should prepare for placement activities. I pass on these suggestions to them, and it helps them in preparing well. The idea is that students realize the importance of time that is available here only after leaving the school. So what they should know is to utilize these 2 years, which pass up like 2 weeks, to their best advantage. We are all putting in good efforts, and they should take the best advantage of our efforts and do well. Again, I'm glad to address you, talk to you, and all the best to you in your career. Bye.
For all Geetham School of International Business students joined together and celebrating this alumni meet at Hyderabad. I hope you have a wonderful time and then have a good discussions about the future of your life, and I wish you all the best and success in your future endeavors. Good luck.
Students of GSIB, I hope that you are all doing well, and you have already put in probably 3 to 4 years of service after leaving GSIB, and hope that you are all doing well. I wish you all good luck, and I hope this alumni meet that you are going to hold will create a bond between different batches of students, as well as the students, as well as the GSIB as an institute. Wish you all good luck. Thank you.
Welcome to all of you for this alumni meet. This alumni meet is a unique event. This time, Madam M.E. Lakshmi has taken a lot of pain to gather all of you at Hyderabad. I'm very happy that this year's alumni meet is driven by all of you. It's not driven by the school, it is driven by all of you. So it's a great union of great friends who have studied in a great school. I'm also happy that I'm in touch with many of you. I'm very happy that all of you are doing well in your careers, and then You are making the alma mater feel very proud of all of you. My message on this very happy occasion of all, the meeting of all from the family of Geetham School of International Business is, please don't forget your alma mater. So this is your origin, and this has given you a life which all of you are proudly enjoying. Please do well in your life and then make this school very proud. Please talk about this school to everybody. People should all see you talk about this school. So I put it this way. So I wish you all the best. Please stay in touch. We will be of use to each other. Good luck to all of you.
Hi to everyone. A warm greetings from you. This is Professor K.K. Velluri. I hope that you are all enjoying the occasion this evening of this alumni meet. I wish you all the best for your achieving your endeavor. And again, I wish you all the best. Thank you.
School of International Business welcomes all the alumni members to the alumni meet that is being organized in Hyderabad. It's really good that you all come to this platform, which we thought we should be organizing since a long time. The credit goes to Professor M.V. Lakshmi, who's taken all this effort to organize, and thanks to all those students and the alumni members who have been a part of this program. It's really wonderful that you've come here. I hope and wish that you would be contributing in the years to come, not only to the institutes or the companies that you're serving, but also to Geetham School of International Business. I joined this college in 2005, where I had, my first batch was NPIB 9 students. I still remember many of my students and I'm in touch with. But I hope that in the years to come, we will all be a family and we will be serving the institute in our own manner. I hope and wish that you all are with us. Wish you a wonderful career and God bless you. Thank you.
Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to meet you all. We missed you all over here at the gift building. Of course, it's first gift. Eventually, it's a GSIB. And hope to see you all once in Vizag also. Truly, to be frank, we are all missing you all. The alumni is the proudest crowd of any institute. We wish you to be very, very successful, and I personally wish you. Life is a continuous improvement. We are growing over here as a GSIB, and I wish you the same for your personal and the professional endeavors. Thanks for keeping gift as a good flag and keeping gift as the most successful flag in your lives. And keep the same thing, continuous. See you.
A warm greetings to all of you there. This is Dr. K. Lubzani Har. As many of you may not be knowing me, I just wanted to introduce myself. To be a little philosophical, I just wanted to say that yesterday is gone, never to return. Tomorrow is never promised for anybody, and that's why maybe today we call it a present. This message I would like to tell with an intention to remind you of the past and to enjoy the present. At the moment, we are organizing Sambhav 2012 on February 10th and 11th at Geetham School of International Business. I know it would be a very busy schedule for you all, but I would like to extend this invitation to all of you to come and join us. And this reunion of the past and the present will surely be a day in your memoir and GSIB memoir. Looking forward to seeing you all at GSIB in the City of Destiny. Thank you.
Alumni. Alumni of our school have been in constant touch with me till date. During the college days, I would want them to be disciplined and would tell them always regarding it. I wish them good luck and best wishes.
My name is Ram Kumar. I am working as a senior assistant in GSIB. I'm having a 15 years experience. I am having all some alumni data I am done with assistance of Dr. Vijayalakshmi Madam. If any more information about alumni students, I will ready to give with our Madam Dr. Vijayalakshmi, through Vijayalakshmi Madam, I will give ready to give anything.
I think, hope you are doing all are well. Really, this is wonderful meet alumni. Really, I am very happy to give this opportunity, and all the best to one and all alumni also. Thank you very much.
This is Bhavani, working as Secretary to Director at your school, and I wish you good luck for your alumni meet. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Venkataparao. I am working as a junior assistant in this school last 7 years. I am also have 15 years experiences in this education field. I am also I am managing all facilities in this school, like faculty facilities and students facilities and also supportive staff facilities. I am always available in this school. Thank you alumni, thank you very much.
Hi, this is Syamla, working as a primary office executive assistant. Welcome to GSIB. We missed this function, but I hope it will be a grand successful function. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello friends. Hi alumni.
చెప్పు
My name is Jayprasad.
My name is Gopi Krishna. I am working at School of International Business. Welcome to alumni.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.